Talk about a fun way to start a morning. Yeah, we still got plenty of more too. Yeah, you got a little bunch everywhere. Like, most of it's on this side though.
Yeah, there's a lot of them down on the lower side, but on the, they're low.
Yeah. Well, anyways, we got 5. We can see how they're going to be.
Yeah, I passed all this for the drip.
We're going to bypass this?
Yeah, we're going to let the spray do all that.
Ah, okay.
And then we're going to do the drip down through here, over there, and then that line, and that line, and then again them up there. So let's walk right over here. It does look drier though.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like we're going to sink when we walk into it this time.
We got to come in here to get these 3 stumps over here.
Dang, you would have thought we never ground a stump here.
I know.
Huh. This is quite a long piece of drip. I'm all the way down at the end of the driveway. Well, we've made it from over there in the main hook in to right here. Just pulled some slack, so we could have it easier. So now you just need to figure out how to get these.
Yeah, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do this.
Okay, well, I'll just be waiting for the orders to staple. Oh, okay. So how we like to do staples. Get it close to the plant, and got one there. Pull it in, make sure it's under.
Right there at the end.
And
Right there at the end.
you've already brought it this far up?
Yeah.
Damn. And that was like a very long jog. Don't want any branches caught under.
No.
And just a lot of rinse and repeat.
Yeah, I know.
So what's this T for?
It's going to go back that way.
Oh. Oh, that explains it now. Oh, okay. So it's got to go around that one.
Yeah, it's going to go around this one, and then
Well,
we'll bring the end, tie it back on there.
we're almost finished with line 1.
Yeah.
Then it's on to the up the hill stuff.
Yeah. We ain't far from being done with this side.
No, at
This
all.
is the biggest part.
We got in front of the house and then behind the house to
There ain't
do.
one little line in the back.
Yeah, the back's just like psh, done.
The back's going to be. We'll probably do it before we do the front.
Yeah, I mean it looks like a simple one.
But
So
I figure what we do is do this, do the one behind the house, do the one out front, fix that drip leak down there, fix that wire.
and are we running
Then
it
we'll
to?
fix the leak.
Are we running it today?
I don't know. I'll call Tom.
Because I feel like it would be a good idea to run it if he wants us to.
Well, I'm going to be hooked up to the stuff he got, so it don't matter.
Well, he's gonna want us to fix it one way or another.
Yeah.
If there's anything else broken.
Yeah. Back around there.
I mean, it looks like this goes on easy.
Yeah.
So that's pretty nice.
That's these fittings up with. That's why I got the fittings.
True. Well, I'll finish stapling. One staple. And for these, we like to usually do 2 or 3. One about right there. One about right there. Yeah. Pretty much to get that side on the bush. And if the other side's really off the ground, or it doesn't look right, you can add another staple. Damn, that bush is actually quite loose in there. Okay, well, I best get back up here and help. Well, that's pretty much this area taken care of. Other than a couple bushes down here. I don't think it'll be too long. It ain't too hard. Back complete. Looking good. Now it's just on to the front. And that's a hanging rain sensor. I don't think that does anything anymore. Well, that's everything put in over here now. Drip has gotten pretty much every plant. Oh boy, it's an energy user for sure, bending down and all that stuff. It's a workout as well. Well, time for the final thing. A nice little repair.
It won't take too bad.
Nah, not bad at all. Just a little clean out and get it put in. Oh, that's that one sniffed off. This one was in a bell.
Yeah.
Interesting. This one's a pain over here to clean out. But I'll keep going and see what I can do. After battling roots and cave-ins, we're about there. Oh boy. Pretty good little chunk they broke out. What'd you get?
Something.
Oh. Well, don't do that.
I don't want to do it.
Okay. Oh, that's still full of dirt.
I got it. I need a flag.
Okay, I'll go get something. I got a good chunk out.
Okay.
Well, if anything's left in there, it's gonna get flushed through the system.
Yeah.
Hopefully we got most
Hand
of
me
it.
the 2 couplings.
Okay. And yes, we did finally get us some more glue. It's good to finally have more glue. I mean, you did say there was still a little bit left in the other one.
Mm-hmm.
It's just
Okay.
the brush became the rock.
Let me see that pipe.
There you are.
Glue inside the bottom one.
Okay.
Don't take the tip off it.
Yeah, preferably don't take the tip of the finger off. That wouldn't be a fun one to explain.
It'll be easy.
Easy, but wouldn't be a fun one. Went right on. Nice, this side's on, that side's on. We're golden. Now just maybe replace that wire. Well, not replace the wire, but cover the wire. Oh, you got the stuff too.
Yeah.
Nice. Covered up pretty well. I didn't do it. That was a pretty good day.
Yeah.
Now on to one last job, but I ain't gonna film it. It's a tiny one. Anyways. So, yeah.
Film how to replace the